The LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video on the LG Harmony 3 mobile wireless. So the LG Harmony 3 is a new wireless, of course it is a budget friendly wireless. It's available now for $139.99, so a budget price. Like I said, this is a budget plan. This is one that the LG Harmony 2 Also, this is the same plan as the LG K40, but branded as the LG Harmony 3 Cricket Correct. So for $139, the phone looks very nice. The Galaxy City phone right there, and it has a front-facing camera flash right down the front. Earpiece with the camera, of course. Power button on the right side, line keys on the left side, and also have a Google Assistant key on the left side as well. So pretty nice there, and it's available in black, right? So you understand the color there. So. Oh, that's one thing now for new and losing customers. Alright. So there's the phone right there on the front there. This is the left side, and you have the line keys right here and the Google Assistant key right here. I don't know if you'll be able to take a program in there, actually. But on the back of the LG Harmony 3, you guys have a camera flash, fingerprint sensor, put it logo in the LG brand in there. The camera also kind of remember the LG J6 in 2018. So the backup looks pretty nice. It does have a fingerprint sensor, so not bad for $140. Like I said, this is a budget phone, so do you have it? So let's go check this out. It says here, live life to the fullest with the good fully designed LG Harmony 3. The large and vivid 5.7 The large and vivid 5.7 inch AC plus full vision display provides vibrant viewing of pictures, videos, and more content. Quickly capture light emotion with the feature with 13 megapixel rear auto-focus camera with HDR and portrait mode. That's a win. And capture your favorite memories in perfectly lit selfies with the 5 megapixel front camera with a color flash. It's always nice to have as well. You might be outside in the dark and y'all can get a selfie. Y'all guys will go do that with this one, but it has a camera flash in front. It says experience switch 3D surround sound and jamming to music or watching videos with DTS X surround sound. Get the best of Google with a dedicated Google Assistant button and Google Lens, so that's on there as well, which is an awesome feature. You also get up to 30 gigabytes of internal memory, provides ample space to store all your photos, pics, and videos. A long-lasting 3,000 mAh battery and fast optical processor provides reliable power and performance that will keep up with your productive all day long. Signature LG features round out the offering for a great set of features at a compelling price. The LG Harmony 3 is made for your woman, alright? So for $140, I think it's a pretty good deal if you guys on the budget. So specs in there are not too bad. Like I said, this is a budget phone, so specs in there are not too bad. So the LG Harmony 3 has a 5.7 inch HD plus display, full vision display. There is 18 by 9 screen, you have an optical processor and 4G LTE, 13 megapixel rear camera with autofocus and LED flash, Google Lens and 4K videos. Also have a 5 megapixel front camera with LED flash, auto shot, and gesture shot as well. Fingerprint sensor for added security and convenience. What your fingerprint sensor is in the back of the phone. Dedicated Google Assistant button for quick access to help wherever you are. DTS:X 3D surround sound with headphones. 3,000 mAh battery with power saving mode and Android 1.5, which is a win because it's pretty good. The LG interface thing is LG UX 8.0 or something like that. I'm not really sure the exact LG UI for this thing. But features as designed to impress. The LG Harmony 3 looks good and feels good in this grade. It is thin design with rounded corners, a comfortable grip, and a high gloss finish. Plus its pockets packed with a 5.7-inch HD Plus resolution display that makes viewing videos, photos, and web pages possible. The convenience rear camera, rear fingerprint sensor allows you to quickly unlock your device with just one tap, touch, and dedicated Google Assistant provides help where you are. So for $140, you're getting a lot for $140. I mean, can't get wrong, you know. Also, stunning cameras capture clear, vivid, well-lit pictures and videos with the high-quality cameras on the RG93. The 13 megapixel wide camera has fast autofocus and a smart AI cam feature which applies photos based on the subject, allowing you to take better shots without any extra work. So this is an AI camera, so that's really cool. Like I said, you're getting a lot for $140. So it's captured professional portraits with portrait mode and the form of a photo booth with joint flash cut. Take exceptional selfies that outshine others with the 500-pixel front camera with an illuminating LED flash, and learn more about the world around you. Bigger camera with the lens there. Power play, perform repeat, and accomplish a day full of fun without breaking a sweat. Serve strength and multitask to your heart's content with the fast processor and no less than 3,000 better. There's plenty of room to store all your favorite pics, videos, and apps. The Harmony 3 has up to 13 GB of internal storage, expandable up to another 2 TB with an additional microSD card 6 TB of RAM, and experience louder, richer, cinematic 3D surround sound, DTS:X 3D surround sound, with less than 10 minutes of watching videos with wired headphones. So you guys will get the surround sound feeling when you guys have headphones on. So yeah. So Spectrum is fine. It's pretty good for what it is, a budget phone, so Spectrum is good. So you have Android 9.8 Pie, you have LG UX 8.0, I believe that's the interface for the LG UI phone. You have dimensions of the LG Harmony 3, 6.2 inches height, 2.83 inches width, and 0.32 inches depth. 5.7 inch HD Plus resolution display, that's 18.9. 30 GB of built-in storage with 2 GB of RAM, and the microSD cards up to 2 TB, 4G LTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2, and USB Type-C or whatever the hell that is. So this thing probably takes a micro USB charger, maybe, I'm not sure. You have a 13 megapixel rear camera. You have a 13 megapixel rear-facing camera with 4 videos. You have a 5 megapixel front-facing camera with 4 videos. Both the rear-facing flash as well. 2 GHz octa-core processor. 2 GHz quad-core processor. See, that was his quad. That was his quad-core. Oops, let me go to Dawn's octa-core, so it's 5 octa-core processor, so it's an octa-core, so 3,000 mAh battery. The battery's not removable, of course, so keep that in mind. That is for the LG Harmony 3. You guys will have a couple of cases and stuff like that. You guys will get second source from at Amazon. You type in LGK40 to get second source from Amazon. You got some cases, trim touches and stuff like that here. You got it says the source on, go to Amazon and you'll get them all at your and then you can see here. So you all will packages from the there. So There you have it, LG Harmony 3 number, but equipment wireless is 139 million. So this is a pretty good budget phone for what you're getting if you're getting a lot. With this phone, you're gonna a dedicated Google Assistant to you on the left side of the phone. You're getting Android 5. You're getting great camera features in this phone. You're getting a lot of stuff for $139. So that's a great price for all the stuff you're getting. So shout out to LG for that. So there you have the LG number 3. Now we're going to put a wireless. So if you guys enjoy this video, give me a thumbs up if you guys will do it. Lord has been a lot. Please like, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching another video. I'll catch you guys in the next. Peace out.